Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. During the pandemic, since the Social Security Administration has closed its in-person appeals hearings before ALJs, the majority of hearings are currently being conducted by telephone, just regular old telephone, not video, just picking up the phone and having the hearing with the judge. We've conducted several of these successfully in the last couple of months, and we wanted to share a series of tips and things to consider to help you prepare for your hearing. Now, also in our series here on the Nomberg Law Firm YouTube channel, we have other videos that deal with these types of hearings, meaning on the telephone. So this is not an exhaustive list. This is just one we've been compiling in hopes of helping our clients during these hearings. First and foremost, make sure that you talk on the phone or have a video conference with your representative, with your lawyer, before the telephone hearing to prepare for strategies. What to emphasize, what to make sure that you share with the judge during the hearing, because you are going to be under oath testifying, and the things that you normally would discuss with your representative, with your attorney, during the time getting ready for the hearing. That'd be the first and foremost thing. Secondly, make sure that you have a very quiet space where you can have the hearing. It does not need to be in a room or in an office or a house where there's a lot of commotion, where there's a lot of noise. You don't need to be distracted. You need to be in a quiet place. If you still use a landline, a phone connected that we've all had over the decades, that's the best type of line. Cell coverage can be spotty, it can be unpredictable at times, but if you don't have that option, then use your cell phone. Using speaker option is not a good idea most of the time. Again, background noise and other things can come into creating problems for the judge or the others on the hearing. So actually picking up the phone and putting it to your ear is the best way to conduct the hearing. And I should have mentioned this really from the beginning. You have an option whether to have the telephone hearing or a hearing by telephone. You can always postpone your hearing until after the pandemic, till after the Social Security Administration decides to have in-person hearings, or we can make a request to have it on video. Very few law offices are certified to do that. We're trying to get our office to become one of those who can. But these are tips, these are things to be thinking about to have a successful hearing with an ALJ on the phone. Make sure that you understand what's going on during the hearing. If the hearing is called for 2 o'clock on a day, have yourself ready at least 15 minutes beforehand. Don't be talking on the phone. Make sure your phone is charged or charging. Be in that quiet place. Be thinking about your hearing and things you're going to testify to. And when you pick up the phone and say hello, make sure you understand who's on the phone with you, that you can hear them, they can hear you. Make sure you enunciate and you're very clear and loud and are able to properly convey what you need to, what you want to be heard. Mumbling or talking very low and things like that are distracting and will not make for a good hearing on the phone. Let's see. At the very beginning of the hearing, the judge will swear you in. Now, don't be concerned that there may be a vocational expert also being sworn in at the same time. You'll hopefully be prepared for your hearing, and you'll know that a vocational expert and their role at the hearing, but doesn't really impact on what you're going to be doing. You're going to be sworn in, and you say, "I do," or "I swear," and then you go forward to tell the truth just like you're in a court of law. There'll also be regular confirmation of all who are present. Just answer here, just say that you're present. And make sure, and this may be the most important thing, that throughout the hearing, don't let your mind wander. Pay attention to what's going on, understand what's going on. And when the hearing concludes, make sure you say goodbye, and that your representative or your attorney will call you right back afterward to go over what just happened. There are other helpful hints, there are other things that can help toward making a successful hearing, but that's several of the ones we've noticed and put down in this video form. If you have any questions or concerns about this or other related topics, just try to find our other videos in this series on our Nomberg Law Firm channel. Hope you guys have a great day.